How to change the gender of your avatar in Bilibili comics. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the gender of your avatar if you are new on Bilibili comics. Then I'm going to show you how you can change the gender of your avatar if you have already selected the gender. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So open your Bilibili comics app and make sure you have signed in. Now here tap on me in the bottom right corner. Now here you will see the avatar. Now here tap on the avatar and here you will see the boy and the girl option. So if you want to change to boy from girl, tap on boy. Then here tap on OK and tap on yep and wait for to update the data. And you can also change the clothes, the wardrobe of your avatar. You can change body, clothes, background scene. And if you go back, you can see here your cards. And here you can see your mails or notifications from Bilibili comics. If you have already selected your avatar's gender and want to change it, there are two ways. One way is that you can delete your account and create a new one and select the character or gender of your avatar. The second way is that there is a gender or character switching card that you can get randomly while reading. So if you have that card, you can use it to switch genders. So this is how you can change genders or characters avatar in Bilibili comics. Thanks for watching.